Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Zepto eCommerce, especially if you're a beginner. So this video aims to give you the ins and outs of everything you need to know before you start using Zepto into your e-commerce business. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website right here, which is at productpersonalizer.com. Just type that into your browser and you should be able to see this landing page right here. And as you can see, we already have a direct link to Shopify services. Now, Zepto Product Personalizer is often used with Shopify. So if you have a Shopify store, then this might be a good addition for your store in case you want to sell customized products. So Zepto Product Personalizer is a tool designed for e-commerce platforms such as Shopify to offer personalized product options to customers. Now, as you can see here, they actually say that their exclusive Shopify app for live preview with unlimited customization options and more. You can actually ask for a live demo right here. As you can see, we have a bunch of featured products, which we'll get into later on. But here we're just going to look at their key highlights. So they have live preview, which allows your customers to see a live preview of the final product directly in your store. Then there's also the best customer experience, where you can let your customer have the best buying experience, gaining trust and simplifying custom orders. And you also have access to unlimited customizations right there. So at a glance, they have ultimate customization right here. So this is a preview of how it looks on your store. As you can see here, you can freely customize this phone case, I believe. So we have a phone case for iPhone, Galaxy, LG, and Google. So when your customers customize an item or a product, they can see a live preview of their personalization. So they feel better about the buying experience, of course. So they get to exercise their freedom on what they want. And then the product option input types, as you can see here, they actually have a lot of freedom to work with for regular text, monogram, custom font, coloring text, image upload, image swatch, color swatch, and options list. You can see here, there's a bunch of options they can play around with. Conditional logic, you can create dependencies of different kinds based on the types of products you are selling. You can create products with a wide range of variants, which will be available depending on the customer's initial choice. So here, an example, we have an engraved photo necklace. As you can see, you can customize that right there. The color as well. Now, additional charge, you can set price per option and charge customer additional costs, where you can also increase revenue with per option pricing. So every customization, of course, comes with an additional fee. So it automatically sets that depending on your preferences to make things easier for checkout. And then the suitable field style. Here for the watch, we have these models. It has a fully responsive and optimized on tablet and mobile browser. So this actually works well whether you're using your phone or you're on your desktop or wherever. It's optimized to work on both devices or on any devices at that matter. Then no redirection from product page. You can set inline personalization button or pop-up window or direct field within your product form. So here we also have the pricing list. And as you can see, there's a 15-day free trial. But after that, you might want to upgrade into one of their subscription types, since you only have 15 days to work with. And if you wish to keep selling the customized products, then I recommend getting maybe at least the starter or basic, depending on how your business goes, how your e-commerce business goes. So they have the starter for $9.99, basic $19.99, moderate for $29.99, and unlimited for $49.99. So right here, you can check it all on their website. There's also the live showcase here. We have the bag, jewelry, mug, neon for neon signs, phone case, shoes, t-shirt, watches. There we we go. So these are just some customer reviews for product personalizer. So let's try to actually go to their product personalizer. Here we have a bunch of sample products, which we'll try getting into. So let's try the custom shoe right here. So this is a sample of how it looks when the customers can freely customize their product. So for example, they try to order this shoe into your shop or Shopify store. Then they can choose, see the vamp area. Let's try customizing this real quick. Pattern 2, that looks nice. Let's try the quarters. Quarters is for this area. So this is another pattern right here. And then the heel counter. Actually, I'm going to change the vamp maybe to cream. And then for the foxing, this should be the one below. We can stick with white. Foxing stripe. Oh, right there. It's actually a nice touch. You can see how detailed the customization is. So maybe brown or coffee for that added detail. This one is for these parts right here. So we can actually keep this texture. Then the elastic gore. Oh, I see. So it's that part. Just keep it white, and as you can see, we have a fully customized shoe. And once that's done, we can go ahead and click add to cart or buy it now. You can also demo product for the product personalizer Shopify app. So if we try to click this, and it will redirect us to the Shopify app store. And if we're logged into our Shopify store, then it'll be easier for us to incorporate this into our store. So here, that's for our customized shoe. If you're looking for other specific products, then you can try playing around with their other featured products here just to get a feel on how it basically works with different types of products. So for example, the watch here, as you can see, it's very detailed, very extensive. There's a bunch of options you can work around with. Metal leather for the bracelet, and look at how it changes in real time on the left side. So it's easier for the customers to actually get an idea on what they want. And of course, it boosts sales because it looks nice on their end, and it just makes them want to customize more and buy more products. So that's how their customization works. And if you want to check other products, just head to their homepage right here, and you should be able to do so. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.